Introducing Haven by the Luxury Pergola, a heavy-duty, motorized luxury pergola that doesn't break the bank. We wanted to make an affordable, adjustable pergola while maintaining exceptional quality. Every Haven pergola includes our standard issue remote control motorized louver system, because whether you want sun or shade, you shouldn't have to get out of your chair. Let technology do that for you. Our groundbreaking Haven adjustable pergola is proudly made in the USA by the same team that makes all of our luxury pergolas. Haven is backed by a 15-year warranty because we stand behind our work. And unlike other pergolas in the price range, our structure is as strong as your house and can withstand up to 120 mile-per-hour winds with the louvers closed. Sorry, Dorothy, you're not riding this pergola to the land of Oz. The Haven can handle a snow load of 20 pounds per square foot, which is a literal ton of snow, while handling the 120 mile-per-hour winds at the same time. Our drainage system makes the roof completely waterproof, directing the water across the louvers, through the internal gutter and down the posts, keeping everything underneath completely dry. Haven by the Luxury Pergola, because luxury doesn't always have to come at a price.